Want to buy Chicago White Sox ticket? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily buy online. First thing first, move into web browser and then head over to ticketmaster.com. Once you're in this page, you have to make sure that you are logged in into your specific account. Once logged in, select the location and the specific date of which you want the ticket of. After that, in the search bar, search for Chicago White Sox. Now choose the specific ticket you want to purchase. Wait for a while for it to load. It will be landing you on this page. If you scroll down, you will be able to see tons of different tickets of different date. Click on the specific one and tap on Find Tickets. Now in this page, you have to select the number of amount of tickets you want to purchase and then choose a specific seat. You can also change the price range. Once you've selected the seat, click on Reserve Tickets. Follow the on-screen process and pay the amount. Once paid, your ticket will be reserved and then you will be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.